Hello, English 11. Welcome to week 2 of e-learning. Just to give you a quick overview of the week, you only have my class on Monday and Wednesday of this week. On Monday, you'll be taking a quiz on the second inaugural address. It is obviously open book, open note. I'll post further details on whether it will be in Edulastic or if I'll post a quiz in Google Forms or whatever. I will give you further details later on. On Wednesday, we are going to take notes on To My Old Master, which is the next set of reading in your text. So if you want to go ahead and read ahead, be my guest. And I'll post the activity for that. I want to thank you guys for diligently doing your work, taking notes. I know that it's a little bit different with us not being in class, but I want to remind you that even though some of your assignments are just taking notes, they should be taken seriously. And you should not be sharing your notes with other students. So I will let the first week kind of slide if this was you. But in the future, if I see that your notes are identical to somebody else's or your annotations are identical to somebody else's, both you and that other person will receive a 0, no discussion. Okay? Just to make this really clear, plagiarism still counts, and it's actually even more of an issue in online learning than it is with in class. So do not take somebody else's work. Do not send your work to anybody else. If you're caught doing this, like I said, it will be a 0 for my class. If you have any questions about this week as I post the assignments, please get in touch with me, and I'll see you guys next week.